and I am back here again with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you how to recreate your trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This how-to was requested by Abby, and she wanted to see a split ceremony arch with our Kinsley Collection, and we finally had enough Garland in stock, so we were able to do that today. Her budget was $400 to $600, and we did this for under $600. I think it was about $560. The products we used today were 1 tall gold stand, 3 short gold stands, and 7 of our Kinsley Wisteria Garland, and zip ties. That is it. If you want to know how to recreate this beautiful install, keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to start off with 2 gold stands on top of each other, and you're going to zip tie them together. On the other side of the install, we're going to use 1 tall gold stand and a short gold stand, and then you're going to zip tie those together. Next, we're going to take our garland and we're going to attach it to the stand with zip ties. Okay, now that we have 2 connected, I'm going to add 1 more to this. Bend it. You're going to place the other one below. The third one you're going to put in the middle of these 2. And there you have it, a simple and easy split ceremony arch for just under $600. The only tools, like I said before, that you needed today were zip ties. So if you don't have any, we have some in our Amazon storefront, the ones that we use, so go ahead and click that link below. If you want to submit your own request, fill out the form below and put in all the information, just like your budget, the space you want to recreate this install in, your inspo photos, which is the most important, and your collection. If you don't have a collection picked out, let us know your colors and we're happy to suggest one for you. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next. See you next time.